Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I will show you how to create a marble look using chestnut and yellow gold leaf. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, base coat and builder application, apply a thin coat of French kiss and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of blooming gel and leave uncured. Using chestnut, frosting and whiteout, swirl the three together on the Gelous nail art palette using your dotting tool. Swirl the polish up and down the nail where you'd like your marble to be. For a fuller coverage marble, fill in the gaps. Cure for 60 seconds. Using your silicone tool, pick up some yellow gold leaf and place it on top of your nail. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. You can try this look with other sheer polishes or metallic leaf. Thanks for watching!